Welcome. I have a video that I downloaded from pixabay.com. Next, go up to the text title section, drag down a default text title, click on it, and go to the Advanced section to edit. Now, type your text, increase the size, change the font style, and center the text if needed, as demonstrated. Go to the Effects section, search for the water ripple effect, and drag it down as shown. Now, click on it, then go up to adjust its level to 30. Next, highlight only the text and the effect, then right-click to apply a compound clip. Click on the compound clip, then go to the Basic section, scroll down to Blended Mode, and select Soft Light as shown. Finally, click on the video, go up to Blended Mode, and reduce its opacity to 80, as shown. Thanks for watching. The template link is in the description. Have a wonderful day.